Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Sanvaran Dumilang, hello. My name is Malwande. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning subby, and welcome if you're new. If you want to be a subby too, all you have to do is click on the red subscribe button. In this video, I will be showing you how to wash, refresh, and moisturize twists. At this point, my hair had not been washed in 2 weeks. I had kept my twists for a week. As usual, the first step is to hydrate because we do not do anything without water around here. Our next step is to shampoo. I love this shampoo by Aunt Jackie's. I've been using it for months now and I am not switching it out anytime soon. So I go in very generously, as you can see, and I make sure to start at the front and work my way to the back. Then I rinse this out. Here comes the second round, and there will be a third. Honestly, shampoo your hair as many rounds as you think is necessary. I only stop once my scalp feels clean, and I would suggest the same for you.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Here's the third round I mentioned. Always make sure that you use your fingertips when you are shampooing your hair. Do not use your nails because you will scratch your scalp. That creates irritation, damage, and can leave you with open wounds. So just use your fingertips to keep it safe. I love that the more you do rounds of shampooing, the more foam that you have, and it just looks pretty. Okay, so yes, again I go in and then I rinse that off, and that was my final round of shampooing.
Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
I always dry my hair with a t-shirt. I do not use any towels on my hair. Maybe a microfiber towel every now and then, but actual towels are very stripping of moisture and of hydration. Hydration is very important to my hair and to your hair. So t-shirts, particularly cotton t-shirts, are a best option. Next, I go in with this hair butter. This is a Ghanaian shea butter mixed with oils that I am trying out. I absolutely am loving it currently. It is very organic based on the list of ingredients, and that is important to me. So what is important here is to make sure that you squeeze in the hair butter into your twist. So don't rub it because you don't want your twist to frizz up, right? So just put it on and squeeze as you see me doing in the video. This allows the product to be able to work its way into your hair. Next is my oil blend. I've discussed my personal oil blend that I make several times in previous videos. Please watch those and you will know which oils I mix in here. This is specifically for my scalp. I do later put some on my hair as well to lock in the moisture I've just put, but my scalp is a big focus here. keeping a scalp that is oiled up means I'm preparing my scalp for good hair growth. You know, I'm just making it fertile ground for my hair to grow, to prosper, and all of that good stuff. Okay, it's not that deep, but yes. And then make sure that you remember your hairline, okay? The hairline is always important, whether it's suffering or not at the moment, but just oil your hairline. Next is a scalp massage. Now, I thoroughly believe in scalp massages. I mentioned it in the previous video that I do this about once or twice a week, depending on when I oil my scalp. But as you can see, man, it just feels so good. Apart from it feeling good, it does stimulate blood flow, making it easier for your scalp to promote hair growth. It also helps to ease stress, you know. Outside of growing hair, scalp massages are a good way to ease your mind, ease stress, and just make you a happy gal. Now the hair will air dry. Goodbye. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this helps, and I will catch you in my next one.